And guess what? It's another Maintenance Monday. Your host, Maintenance Mike here. I'm in one of our bathrooms here and gonna revisit one of the issues that we went over, I don't know, it's been a few months now, but our whole home ventilation system. Seems like a typical bath fan, but there are separate dials, switches inside this fan that I wanted to go over with you again, maybe better explain, because we're getting a lot of calls where we're hearing about our bath fans running all the time and why is it running all the time, and maybe a little explanation to why we are doing this type of fan. So code dictates that we have to have a certain amount of air exchanges in your home. Okay, we have to replenish your air. We have to exhaust it and bring air back in. And this is our whole home ventilation system. Seems like a regular bath fan, but it has the capability to pull out air based on how we're gonna have the switches inside. So we're gonna go right up to the fan right now, and we're gonna pull down the cover. I'm gonna go over those dials and switches with you right now, okay? So to access your cover, you just pull it down. There's a little spring on each side. You're just gonna pull those springs like that, slip it down. When you go back up, you're just gonna slip it back in there, and then they're gonna retract back into place, okay? So I'm gonna put that down. Got a dial here, and it goes from 0, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 CFM per minute, okay? That's cubic feet per minute that this is able to pull air out. At 0, it's gonna be completely off, okay? At 30, again, 30 cubic feet per minute, all the way up to 70. You have another switch here that goes from 80 to 100, and when I flip the switch on over here by the door, you're gonna be going 80 to 100 CFM, depending on how you have it set. I'd recommend we just go ahead and keep it at 100. That way it's working maximum amount when you're taking a shower using the bathroom, okay? When you're on 0, again, we're gonna be off. I'm gonna go ahead and flip that switch back off again there, and we're gonna go down to 30 CFM. And again, that's a pretty low amount, but it is giving you an air exchange in the home, okay? And that's what the code tells us that we need to do. In the wintertime, if you have high humidity levels in your home and you're starting to notice that moisture on the windows, and guess what, guys, we're coming into winter here pretty soon. So you might think about your moisture levels in your home. And as your moisture levels get above 35%, you might need to start going higher with that, and you might need to go up to 40 or 50 CFM, but typically 30 is probably all you're gonna need, okay? So I'm gonna put this cover back on. Again, the springs are gonna go up inside and just retract in. So I'm just gonna kind of put it in here like this. And that's all there really is to it. If you have any other questions about this or concerns about this, obviously let me know, okay? So we'll join you next Monday. Join me next Monday for another Maintenance Monday. Be safe.